Pizza fail. Sometimes it doesn't work out. And today we got our Weird Wild pizza fails. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Fail. Cranberry Brie, double fail. Double fail. Cranberry Brie, pizza fail. 1. So this one, or these ones I should say, were doozies for sure. We failed twice on this one before nailing it for the third. Third time's a charm, I guess. The homemade cranberry sauce is amazing and totally recommend you make it. Make sure you get the right size brie wheel if you want to make this pizza. It all comes down to the size of the cheese. Not sure what I was thinking for this one. Like, geez, can you put a bigger cheese wheel on a pizza? The rind can be a little bit nasty. Cranberry and brie is a fantastic combo. A dream, really. But you need to get the proportions right or it'll quickly turn into a nightmare. Saw that coming. That's SMOKY. If at first you don't succeed, fail again. Rind aside, the size of the wheel is crucial. The first two were massive and they barely melted. There was a bit of gooiness, but not enough. Sucks when the party crasher is the food, especially when they come back again. Cranberry Brie, pizza fail number 2. Now that cheese wheel looks smaller. That should work, right? Wrong! Even this cheese wheel was too big. Oh no, that's SMOKY! These are classic examples of too much of a good thing. Who knew that saying was right? But these 2 attempts were total fails. Fail! Check out the link below for our Cranberry Brie pizza success. And if you're just here for the pizza fails, stay tuned, I'm sure there'll be more. Pizza fail! Thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.